Okay, your first date was good, and now he's just texting vibes. That's not taking it slow. That's keeping you available. And today I'm going to tell you what it means, what to do, what not to do, and the exact lines to use so you don't manage the connection. Okay, guys, hit that subscribe button because we're not doing post-date anxiety and accidental auditioning. We're doing standards, clarity, and calm energy. Okay, let's define it. This is not he's busy for one day. This is the date went well, the days are passing, and he hasn't locked in the second date. Meanwhile, he's still texting. So you feel stuck. Is he interested? Should I say something? Am I being dramatic? Here's the PlayGirl truth. Interest moves forward. Confusion stalls. There are 3 common meanings, and I'll keep it real. 1. He enjoyed you, but he's not intentional. He's not a bad guy. He just dates casually. He likes the attention. He likes the conversation. He likes access, but he's not leading. Meaning 2. He's keeping his options open. He's testing what he can get with minimal effort. Texting keeps you warm. Planning costs him something. Meaning 3. He's busy, but he'll still show effort. Busy men still communicate like adults. They say, this week is crazy, but I'm free Saturday. Can I see you? Busy is not the issue. No plan is the issue. Notice how all 3 meanings have one solution. You stop managing. So here's where women start losing the power after a good date. You start managing. You send the recap text. You send the, did you get home safe? You start hinting. So what are you doing this weekend? You start doing emotional customer service to keep the momentum alive. And now it feels like you're the one driving a connection he's not investing in. So here's the rule. After a great first date, your job is to receive, not recruit. So guys, here's the rule you're going to tattoo on your spirit. No plan, no access. I'm not saying be cold, I'm saying be clear, because texting is not effort. Flirting is not effort. I miss you is not effort. A plan is effort. Day, time, place. And if you're thinking, but what if he's shy? Babe, shy men can still plan a date. Now we go practical. This is the part you came for. Scenario A, let's say he texts you but still no date plan. Your move? One calm response that forces clarity. Say, hey, good to hear from you. If you'd like to see me again, let me know what day you're free and we'll make a plan. Then you shush. No extra questions, no LOL, no paragraphs. Why it works? It's not begging. It's not you planning. It's you giving him the doorway and making him walk through it. Scenario B, he's talking a lot but dodging logistics. He's like, we should link soon. I miss you. I've been thinking about you. You say, aw, if you want to see me, pick a day and a time. If he keeps dodging, that's your answer. Scenario 3, he tries last minute late night. Come over, Netflix, you up? Let's hang. You say, PlayGirl strict. No thank you, I'm free when there's a plan. Or softer, I'm not a last minute girl. If you want to take me out, pick a day. Scenario D, he went quiet after the date. Now, if he disappears, do not chase. Silence is information. If he returns later with, hey stranger, and still no plan, you don't do a reunion tour. You say, hey, if you want to see me, make a plan. Now, here's what we're not doing. We're not sending multiple texts to get clarity. We're not asking, did I do something wrong? We're not over-explaining how much you enjoyed him. We're not trying to teach a grown man basic effort, guys. You can't convert a casual man into an intentional one with perfect wording. Now let's talk timeline. If it was a great date and he's interested, you usually see the second date plan within 3 to 7 days. Not a law, just a pattern. Now, if you're at day 7 and it's still vibes and no plan, stop feeding it. Match his effort, which is currently none. Now, here's the mindset shift that changes everything. You're not trying to be chosen. You're choosing. The second date is not a prize you win. It's a test of his intention. And if he can't plan the second date, he's telling you what he can offer. And we don't negotiate ourselves down to fit low effort. So here's the rule. If he wants you, he plans. No plan, no access. Now, if you want part 2, what to do if he does plan the second date but starts acting inconsistent after, comment plan. You know I love you enough to tell the truth, and I'll see you in the next one.